just found this menu Orion made for me 1 trillion years ago. I have no idea. He was in elementary school. But it's his restaurant he made. 6 Heaven Sushi. All you can eat. It's supposed to be until 2007, June 20th. I don't know when you make these shows. Okay. Oh. In one of my son, mom, and 2-year-old sister, that would be Frambois, or something about the sushi restaurant. Here's what they sell or serve. They serve manatee, lobster, platypus, octopus, seal, with any lobster, of course. All sushi amount free. Yes, free. You mean free? Yes, free. And your very own parting gift of some delicious sushi and free and drinks for free and on the go or to stay. Damn, I miss you, oh.